Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create the AI Disney couple photo trend videos you see on TikTok using Capcut. So if you want to create these kind of videos, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, for this, you will need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So if you don't have it, you can go ahead and download it. This is how it looks like. Go ahead and download it. Once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here, you're searching for the following account, test the simple dad. This is the account you're looking for. While you're here, go ahead and follow the account. Watch till the end of this video as I'll show you where to find this template for you to use. For now, I've just saved it in my favorites. So this is the template which I'll be using. Forever will basically change your photo into a Disney Pixar photo. So you can use a photo of yourself or maybe a couple photo. So let's go ahead and tap on this Capcut Forever. Now this will show you the template which you're going to use. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut. It'll ask you to sign in. So go ahead and sign in using your TikTok account. Once that's signed in, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut again. This will now show you the template again. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now go ahead and pick a photo from your phone library. So I'll choose that. I'll tap Next. Now let that apply the AI effect on your photo. So just wait a minute. And there you go. The AI effect has been applied to the photo. As you can see, it has changed a real life couple into a Disney looking picture. So once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Now tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now you can go ahead and add your effects, add your captions, and then post this video to your TikTok account. Now since the video is posted, for you guys who want to see where to find this template, you just need to type in search, test the simple dad. Tap on users at the top. You need to visit this profile here, test the video, test the simple dad. Then you'll see that video right here in the video section. Go ahead and tap on it. And to use it, go ahead and tap on this Capcut Forever at the bottom. And you'll be able to use this template. So there you go guys, that is how to create the AI Disney couple photo video trend on TikTok using Capcut. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.